this video, the voice you're hearing is not a human voice. It's actually generated by AI, but many of you probably felt like it was a human voice because it's an AI voice that closely resembles a real human voice. It even carries an emotional touch, just like a human voice. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 20 of the best ElevenLabs voices that also have that emotional, human-like quality. You can use these voices in various categories such as historical, storytelling, comedy, gaming, and other types of content. So to learn about these 20 best voices, make sure to watch this video till the end. To find these 20 voices, you need to go to ElevenLabs and sign up. Let me quickly show you how these voice settings work in ElevenLabs. Model. I'm using multilingual V2. It works with many languages and sounds super realistic. Speed. This controls how fast or slow the voice talks. You can slow it down or make it more energetic. Stability. Want a more emotional voice with natural ups and downs? Lower the stability. Want it smooth and consistent? Turn it up. Similarity. This sets how close the AI voice should sound to the original voice sample. Low makes it more flexible. High keeps it closer to the real voice. Style. Exaggeration. This is where the drama comes in. Slide it up if you want more expression and personality in the voice. Speaker boost. Just switch this on to make the voice louder, clearer, and more powerful. Play around with these sliders to get the perfect sound for your video, story, or project. After that, head over to the voice library, and there, you'll need to search for all the voices whose names and categories I'll be showing you one by one. Number 20, James. A classic British voice with depth and calm delivery. Best for documentaries, ancient storytelling, motivational narration, samples. In documentaries,
in the year 146 BC, Rome conquered Carthage, forever changing history.
In ancient storytelling,
Beneath the sands of time, empires whispered their rise and fall.
in motivational narration,
Even in silence, the will to rise echoes louder than defeat.
Number 19, Brian, friendly, relatable, and naturally upbeat. Best for self-care, vlogs, personal stories, emotional storytelling, samples. In self-care,
Sometimes doing nothing is the most healing thing you can do.
in vlogs,
So I deleted Instagram for 30 days, and here's what I learned.
in personal stories.
This part of my journey, I never thought I'd share it.
Number 18, Adam, warm, deep, and emotionally resonant. Best for motivational, deep narration, storytelling, samples. In motivational,
When you fall 7 times, stand up 8. That's where the story begins.
in deep narration,
They told him he'd never make it. He made history instead.
in storytelling.
The boy didn't ask for greatness, but destiny chose him anyway.
Number 17, Arnold, elegant, articulate, and graceful. Best for travel vlogs, brand videos, serene storytelling samples. In travel vlogs,
Welcome to Santorini, where sunsets feel like dreams.
in brand videos,
Elegance isn't just a look, it's a way of being.
in serene storytelling.
She wandered not to escape life, but to feel it more deeply.
Number 16, Daniel, balanced tone with excellent pacing. Best for online courses, academic explainers, informational storytelling samples. In online courses,
Let's break down how blockchain actually works in under 60 seconds.
in academic explainers,
Photosynthesis is more than light. It's life turned into energy.
in informational storytelling.
History didn't just happen, it was shaped by belief and chance.
Number 15, Callum, soft yet confident. Best for sleep stories, affirmations, children's storytelling samples. In sleep stories,
Close your eyes and let the stars carry you home.
in affirmations,
You are safe, you are seen, you are enough.
in children's storytelling.
The little cloud wasn't like the others, and that made her special.
Number 14, Will, clear, confident, and dependable. Best for professional explainers, motivational, life advice, storytelling samples. In professional explainers,
Let's walk through the strategy step by step.
in motivational,
What you focus on grows, so choose your focus wisely.
in life advice storytelling.
He lost everything and found what really mattered.
Number 13, Grace, natural and sincere, like a friend speaking directly to you. Best for testimonial content, personal storytelling, samples. In testimonial content,
This is the part I was scared to share, but it's real.
in personal storytelling.
I never thought I'd be here, but I'm glad I stayed.
Number 12, Clyde, commanding with warmth. Best for storytelling, cinematic motivation, historical voiceover, samples. In storytelling,
The road was broken, but he walked it anyway.
in cinematic motivation,
You weren't built to break, you were built to rise.
in historical voiceover.
Through smoke and steel, a new world was forged.
Number 11, Bill, classic American tone with firm clarity. Best for tutorial tutorial, motivational, reflective storytelling. Samples in tutorial,
Here's how you can double your productivity with one habit.
in motivational,
Every mistake you made, it taught you something others missed.
in reflective storytelling.
Regret doesn't define you, but what you do next does.
Number 10, Chris. This voice is pure depth and darkness. Best for dark cinematic, fantasy, villain. Samples in dark cinematic.
In the silence of ruin, one voice dared to rise.
In fantasy,
They built empires with blood, stone, and silence.
in villain.
You still think this story ends with heroes?
Number 9, Darren Roman. Silky, smooth, with a poetic edge. Best for romantic, emotional, poetic. Samples in romantic.
I didn't fall in love, I remembered it.
In emotional,
Some memories don't fade, they echo.
in poetic.
Time stitched our souls like fragile thread.
Number 8, Dacer, a heroic, noble tone. Best for medieval, heroic, game intros. Samples in medieval.
I ride not for glory, but for honor.
In heroic.
By the sword, by the shield, we defend the realm.
In game intros.
Choose your path, warrior. The kingdom awaits.
Number 7, Neil, balanced, relatable, and trustworthy. Best for commentary, professional, explainer. Samples in commentary.
This change could rewrite the entire tech market.
In professional.
Let's walk through the data together.
In explainer.
In simple terms, this is how it works.
Number 6, Hobbs, raw, gritty, and grounded. Best for realistic, gritty, street. Samples in realistic.
He wasn't raised by love. He was raised by survival.
In gritty.
The city forgot us, but we never forgot the city.
In street.
Truth hurts. Lies. They kill slower.
Number 5, Mad Scientist, unpredictable and expressive. Best for comedy, crazy, cartoon villain. Samples in comedy.
And they said I couldn't invent a flying banana launcher.
In crazy.
You fools, you'll all see once the robots rise.
In cartoon villain.
This isn't madness, this is chemistry and caffeine.
Number 4, Drew, calm and mystical. Best for spiritual, nature, philosophical. Samples in spiritual.
The breath is the bridge between thought and peace.
In nature.
In still water, even the stars rest.
In philosophical.
The universe is not outside you, it flows through you.
Number 3, hairy, clear, engaging, and highly versatile. Best for balanced, versatile, tutorial. Samples in balanced.
In today's video, we'll uncover what no one's telling you.
In versatile.
Let's set up your store in under 10 minutes.
In tutorial.
You don't need permission to be great.
Number 2, Dave, powerful, serious, and loaded with emotion. Best for emotional, dramatic, powerful. Samples in emotional.
They left, but I didn't fall.
In dramatics.
This isn't revenge. This is redemption.
In powerful.
You don't rise because you're lucky. You rise because you refuse to quit.
And now, the moment has arrived. I'm about to reveal the name of ElevenLabs' best voice and its categories. So get ready. 3, 2, 1, boom. Fada Yildirim. This voice has it all. Depth, clarity, presence, and unbelievable realism. Best for epic, legendary, historical. Samples in epic.
Before legends walked, silence ruled.
In legendary.
Empires rose, empires fell, but their echoes remain.
In historical.
No man is born fearless, but every great one becomes it.
That's it. The 20 best ElevenLabs voices, each with its own power, emotion, and style. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you'd use it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. You won't want to miss what's coming next.
Dodgy.